Hello beautiful people, welcome back to this channel once again. On today's video we'll be going to NKWELLE-EZUNAKA. This is a town in Oyi local government area of Anambra State, Nigeria. Okay, in Oyi local government area, these are the list of towns that made up this local government, and they are namely Ogbunike, Okozo, Umuneba, Umunya, NKWELLE-EZUNAKA, and of course Inteje. Meanwhile, Inteje is the local government headquarters of Oyi. So Inteje is the headquarters of Oyi local government area. Now back to NKWELLE-EZUNAKA, where we are in right now. I remember some 8-10 years before now, in this particular road that we are in, if you don't have liver, like if you don't have mind, even as a man, you cannot pass through this road on a broad daylight. Talk more of passing through this road during the night hours. But today you can see that everywhere is vastly developed, buildings right, left and center. This is the power of development. Yes, this is what development does. If you know NKWELLE-EZUNAKA very well, and we came in through the express, that is through the junction from the express. If you know this place, these surroundings 8 years and 10 years before now, you would understand what I'm talking about. You would also testify of or verify my words right now, because what I'm saying is facts. Okay, you dare not pass through this road during the evening hours, but today this road is bubbling almost 24 hours of the day. You can see how developed these areas have been. So if you have not been through this, if you're not been through this area for some time, it is an opportunity for you to see how vastly developed NKWELLE-EZUNAKA have come to be. Okay, NKWELLE-EZUNAKA is one of some very lucky towns that benefited a lot from the overflow of development in Onitsha. Okay, NKWELLE-EZUNAKA happens to have or share a common boundary with Onitsha town. Okay, and that is why this community have enjoyed so much development due to the inflow or influx of people from Onitsha to this area, and due to its proximity and its closeness to Onitsha. At some point, if you don't know the common boundaries between these two towns, you will think you are in Onitsha. When you are in NKWELLE, you will think you are in Onitsha. Especially when you go to towards the 3-3 area and all those places, you will think you are already in Onitsha when you are not in Onitsha. So that is how how developed this town have come to be. So NKWELLE-EZUNAKA is a very lucky town, and it's one of those towns that have benefited so much from the overflow of development from Onitsha, and some other towns that have enjoyed this development also is towns like Diobosi, towns like Ogidi, and some other towns also. If you go to Ogidi, sometimes you won't even know you are in Ogidi, you think you are in Onitsha. Same thing as Obosi. Obosi is even in Onitsha, because a lot of people that live in Obosi say they are living in Onitsha, and a lot of people that live in Ogidi and say they are living in Onitsha. Same thing in this NKWELLE. Suppose that live in NKWELLE, if you call them, they'll say, I'm in Onitsha, whereas they are in NKWELLE. So that is how developed some part of this town, or almost every part of NKWELLE, have come to be. So this video is a video that we made for some of our fans who asked us to visit NKWELLE-EZUNAKA. And today we are in NKWELLE-EZUNAKA and we are bringing it to you live and direct, just like always. This is what NKWELLE-EZUNAKA looks like today. So this town is also an industrious town in Anambra State. This town have produced industrious men and industrious women. And this town is also an economic town already. Yes, it's a very important and economic town in Anambra State, Nigeria. So come with us on this trip. Let's explore NKWELLE-EZUNAKA. We are going to go to virtually almost every part of this town, so you would see for yourself how this town or what this town looks like. Already you can see how busy the road is. That's to tell you that what I'm telling you is not a joke, it's a fact. Okay, you can see that this road is very busy, very busy. Also, while exploring this wonderful town, there is something very vital I noticed about NKWELLE-EZUNAKA, and I would love to share it with you guys. Okay, so apart from Awka, which is the capital city of Anambra State, this town NKWELLE-EZUNAKA happens to be the second town that has a cluster of estates. Like, there are so much estates in this town that sometimes I was like, are you sure that there are no more estates in NKWELLE-EZUNAKA, even more than Awka? Because the number of estates that I saw even along this road while going down are uncountable. And the funny part is that these estates are vastly developed. Like, it's not like all those estates you will go and you see one or two houses and they're still developing. These estates in NKWELLE are really developed estates with good tarred roads. Developed with good tarred roads. Okay, so I was thinking that maybe some other time we would explore these estates one after the other and bring you updates on these beautiful estates that are in this town. So this town is quite developed and organized. There are lots of estates in this town, both already developed ones and also developing ones. And I think that will be a content for another day. So right now we are in NKWELLE-EZUNAKA, a town in Oyi local government area of Anambra State. And also the state government needs to look into the roads in this town. Okay, the condition of the roads in this town, frankly speaking, they are not encouraged, but I believe and I know that the state government will do something about it, because this administration is not taking road infrastructure for granted. Okay, the state government is working assiduously to see that Anambra State has one of the best roads in this country, and I believe they will surely and eventually look into this town, because this town is a very vital town for the state. Like, it's an economic town in the state. You can see there are businesses everywhere, thriving businesses, not just people. These are thriving businesses. People are doing well in this town. Okay, so I strongly believe that the state government will look into the road condition of this town and do something about it. And while that will also happen, we will still bring you updates when such projects begin to take place in this town. So don't forget that we are still in NKWELLE-EZUNAKA and we are bringing it to you back to back, just like always. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel already, please kindly do well to subscribe to this channel, comment, share and like this post. Also, don't forget to click on the notice bell down below so that whenever we post a video, you will be the first to get to know about it. Stick with us while we'll explore this beautiful town, NKWELLE-EZUNAKA. Let's go, guys. So guys, do well to share your thoughts on the comment section. Let's know what you think about this beautiful town, NKWELLE-EZUNAKA. Let's know your ideas and even your advice to the state government on what to do in this town. Just let's know what you think generally about the situation of this town. Because if you ask me, I would say that this town is quite a busy town and also developed to an extent, because there is virtually every basic amenities you will need in this town. There are schools, major schools in this town. There are markets, like standard markets. There are transport systems working effectively in this town. There is light, there are hotels, there are hospitals, there is even a police station for security in this town. Just name it. So this town really needs to be looked into in terms of the road network. That is the only place I'm seeing some little that needs to be touched or fine-tuned a little bit. Okay, yes, but talking about development, the town is developed, but if the state government also intervene in the road construction, it will develop more. Yes, so NKWELLE-EZUNAKA is a very busy town and developed town because of its closeness to Onitsha, which is the market hub of West Africa. The biggest market in West Africa is in Onitsha, and this town happens to share a common boundary with Onitsha, and that's why it's developed the way you are saying it. What you are seeing here is just the outside. If we start going inside the roads within the town, you will see that this town is really developed. There are lots of estates, major estates in this town, beautiful estates in this town. I'm surprised to have come across some of these estates that are so beautiful and so unique. So this is what we call White Junction in NKWELLE-EZUNAKA, and we want to take this route so that we also explore this section of the town. So we are still at NKWELLE-EZUNAKA in Oyi local government area of Anambra State, and this is exactly what this town looks like today. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. Share, like and comment on this post. Also, don't forget to click on the notice bell down below so that whenever we post a video, you and you alone will be the first to get to know about it. So this is how developed NKWELLE-EZUNAKA have come to be, and we hope that the state government will intervene so that more development will approach these areas. Yes, we are bringing you updates like this back to back And don't forget that this video is a request video from our subscribers, our family, and our farms. So we are delivering it just the way it was requested. You can see there are no current ongoing construction in this town, so that is why we are soliciting that the state government should also intervene. And meanwhile, if there are any other place you want us to get a view of it for you, please kindly let us know on the comment section so we can do justice to that already, just the way we are doing now. So if you have any place you want us to get a view or a picture or a view of it for you, you can let us know on the comment section. And if you also want to support us, you can also let us know on the comment section. Thank you if you have watched this video up to this point. Don't forget to stick with us on our next epic video coming your way. Remain blessed and bye for now.